to him a little bit. Don't go too fast up on these birds.
Y'all look at this.
Zoom in on the sun. Come on, baby.
I can't. The sun and them buzzards right
Look
there.
at that. Zoom in on it.
I can't even tell if I'm zooming in.
Yeah,
And they not even trying to run. They not caring. Look at this.
Ready, y'all.
Look at that. Hey, them buzzards. You remember they was talking about that? I don't know what you call.
What's them?
Them buzzards. That's what they are. See?
I think we can.
You scary ass. He's so scary, y'all. Y'all see? Ooh. Yeah. Y'all see that? Look at that. Look at that big ass, big old bird. Them buzzards. They probably smelt that a mile away. That's what it is, a vulture. Buzzard, whatever you want to call it.
You get to go that way, you motherfucker might take me. Look out. This.
Sure is, look at that.
A nice rabbit.
And we passed by, that was a big old bird. I mean, you better hope they don't get your ass. Am I recording? Oh yeah, I'm recording. Look, I ain't trying to go no further, y'all, but look at it. Damn, look at that. I'm looking for his buddies, y'all. There go one right there. Look up there on that thing. I don't know where the other one at. But they were just talking about this on YouTube. About these doggone big old birds. And look at this.